Okay, today in this video we're going to be making Slavic sushi. If you have a girlfriend, a boyfriend or a family member in Eastern Europe, Balkan area, then impress them today with what I'm going to teach you in this video, Slavic sushi. You don't need much. Gherkins or pickles, some pate, liverwurst, Braunschweiger. We have this one here, it's mushroom pate, liver. We have German peppered salami and Spanish chorizo. Okay? The sandwich meat doesn't matter too much, but these, very important. And we have some cheese spread. Okay, first, we need the nori. The nori, the seaweed, for our Slavic sushi. Okay, so we're going to be making four. Today. Gherkin. Four there. Cool. Next, here's some cheese spread. We need to hold everything together here. Okay. Yeah. So, just make two, otherwise this might take a while. Okay. Then we need our liverwurst, which is straight from the cow's organs. Liver filters out all the cow's alcohol. So when you have a drunken cow, liver is important. Okay, yeah. Okay, there's one. I'm gonna do one more. This is going to be a chorizo sushi. Okay, right, yes, perfect. Okay, now I'm just going to roll these up a little. If it looks more like a taco, you're not in Mexico, you're in Eastern Europe. So, connect this with an extra pepperoni, like so. Hello. Okay. The next thing we need is a sharp knife. So we're going to cut it into sushi with our sharp knife. If you don't have a sharp knife, I don't, then just keep cutting like this. Just one more there, one more. Oh, yep, that's okay. And if you make any bad ones, just hide them. No one needs to know they exist. All your bad ones, make them disappear. And here we go. This is the Slavic sushi. Спасибо. Prost. Bellissimo. Okay, so impress your friends with your Slavic sushi. Hello friend, you should try my Slavic sushi. Just open the hanger there, just put that in, okay. Ah, you like it. Yeah. And there's the grand reveal, the finished product. Impress all your Slavic friends with Slavic sushi. Just like babushka used to make. Alright, let me know in the comments how yours went, and I hope you enjoyed the video. You'll learn something new every day, and this is what they eat in Eastern Europe. Enjoy.